Next problem is number 15, that is input output control chart. So the planned input and actual input are given, planned output and actual output are given. Now we have to compute cumulative deviation for input, cumulative deviation for output, and we have to compute the backlog. So here the first cumulative deviation is actual minus planned will give you 200. And here again actual minus planned will give you minus 50. And the backlog is always the previous backlog plus the, you have to use the actuals. So the actual input minus actual output. So it should be 700 minus 600. So that will give you 220. Now we continue to the next week. So now we start with 200, okay, plus the deviation. So that will be actual minus planned. Okay, so that will make it 100. Here we start with minus 50 plus 700 minus 650 will make it into 0. Then we go 220 plus the actual input minus actual output, so that will be 220. So we continue 100 plus, so that is 700 minus 700 is 100. So here it will be 0 plus actual minus planned, and that will be 150, and then 220 plus actual input minus actual output, so that will give us 120. Okay, now 100 plus actual minus planned, so that will make it 300. Here will be 150 plus actual minus planned, and that will make it 200. Here 120 plus actual input minus actual output will give you 220. It will be 300 plus 600 minus 600, so no change. Here again is 200 plus 650 minus 650, no change. And here it is 220 plus actual input minus actual output will give you 170. Here it is 300 plus 500 minus 800 make it 0. So 200 plus 500 minus 700 will make it 0. 170 plus 500 minus 500 will give you 170.